In this lesson, we will explore Salon Styler's powerful art tools, which will allow you to apply makeup and customize the hairstyles. At the top of the screen, there are two buttons that we will use to work with the model before we apply the hairstyles. The Edit Your Photo button allows you to work on the photo of the model, and the button next to it, called Makeup, moves you to a layer above the model's photo where the makeup is applied. Before we get started, let's turn the gallery off so we have more room to work with. We do this through Options. It is easier to work on the model if we make her larger, and we do that by using the Zoom tool, which is on the bottom toolbar. The Zoom tool will center the zoomed image wherever you click on the image. For example, we can zoom in on our left eye. To zoom out, click with the right mouse button. Once we have her the size we want, click on the Zoom tool again to turn it off. We can reposition the image by clicking and dragging with the right mouse button. Make sure that you're in the photo layer by pressing the Edit the Photo button. Salon Styler has a tool for making mirror images of the model. This is because we're used to seeing ourselves in the mirror. Use this to make the photo appear more natural to your model. Now we're ready to start smoothing the face. There's several ways of doing that. We can pick up a natural color from the face with the eyedropper tool. Notice how it appears in the custom color window. With this color, we can use the makeup brush to blend out the face. First, we set the brush pressure low so our changes will be gradual, and then we select our brush size and go to work. Another way we can smooth out the face is by using the comb tool, which drags color from one area to another. Again, we set the brush size and pressure where we want and go to work. We can also smooth out large areas by blurring them. We do this by first selecting the area we want with the lasso tool. Hold down the Control key while drawing a line around the area you want. Now, with that selected, we can blur it by right-clicking in the work area and selecting Area, Blur. If we blur it again, it'll be even smoother. Salon Styler has a feature that will allow you to simulate the results of plastic surgery or weight loss. To work with this, first click on the outlining button. While holding down the Control key, click along the contour you wish to change. The more times you click along the contour, the more control points you will have to make your change with. At the end of the part you wish to change, double-click to stop. Now we click the middle button so we can set the new profile by moving the control points to their new position. With that done, we click the third button and outline the area we wish to change by holding down the Control key and clicking the mouse around the contour lines. Click the Start button to see the change. You can toggle back and forth between before and after images by holding down the Control key and pressing Z and pressing Control Y. When you click the Makeup button on the top toolbar, the color palette for the different makeup tools will appear. Now we can choose the palette of the season and the type of makeup we wish. Then we apply the makeup using the Makeup Brush tool. We can undo our makeup changes by right-clicking in the working area and choosing Undo. Or, if there's a quicker and easier way of doing it, hit the Z key while holding down the Control key. You can back up through as many changes as there are. We can also return to the original state by using the Delete button on the top toolbar. Here's a trick for applying makeup to large areas like the lips. First, select the lips by using the lasso tool and draw a line around them. Remember to hold down the Control key while you do this. Now select the color you want. If you want a color that's not on the palette, right-click on the color window to get the custom color picker and create the color you wish. Now right-click in the working area and select Area Fill. Then, by adjusting the opacity, we get the effect we want. Not